finished with no mic, so sound quality is probably going to be bad. We're going to the chickens. They want feeding. I think there's some more eggs to collect. But because it's the last few hours of sunlight, I'm going to let them run around for a bit in the garden. Oh, here they come. Hey girls and boys. What we got? Oh, what we got in here? Oh, thought there was an egg in. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh. Another egg. That's the third or fourth today. Good team. Stunning, ain't ya? I can hear Quincy. Hi, Quincy. Yeah, egg. You gonna take it in for me? I'll do it in a minute for you. You get it? Oh. Yes. So now I'm gonna drop them some food in because they're a bit empty. Ooh. Hello. Get you some food out. There we go. Oh. Want some? Want some? Archie started to bark. I feed them about twice a day. In the morning they have mealworms and their food. Here you go. Just in time. It's chewy. There you go, good, just yeah. And say hello to your fans. All two of them. Well, someone's having a domestic. Anyway, it's getting cold. That was really a quick one. It's getting nippier. We've got a few projects coming in. I'm going to rebuild their pen base or their house. I'm building a bigger one, but for another location. We're getting ready for a big move. So I'm going to film that. Also, we're trying to set up the forge stuff, blacksmithing. I want to try and film that. I need to get some forging coals. That's all I'm really missing now. But we'll get it all together soon. And then I'll try and record that. I think that'll be mainly on a Sunday. Once a week, then once it'll be released. Hopefully, I'm going to start building the new house in the next few days. Next few days. I've got the legs, just got to wet the rest of the wood. And I ain't a carpenter, so it's going to be fun, isn't it? See how many fingers we can lose. Anyway, have a good one. Stay there. Stay warm. Enjoy yourself. Ta-ra.